In 2026, there are more compact and subcompact tractors than ever, and many look almost identical on paper, but real-world performance tells a different story. Some excel at mowing, others at loader work, hydraulics, comfort, or value. Today, we're counting down 7 of the best small tractors of 2026, from good to great, and the #1 tractor might surprise you. Let's get started.
Number 7. Massey Ferguson GC1725M. This is a tractor aimed at owners who want something compact, approachable, and versatile without stepping into a larger machine. Its small footprint is one of its biggest advantages. Around houses, gardens, fences, trees, and other obstacles, maneuverability can be more important than having maximum horsepower. The GC1725M is also useful across multiple seasons. Its mid-PTO setup makes it a strong candidate for mowing, while other implements can turn it into a machine for snow removal, landscaping, and general property maintenance. The operator station is designed to keep things simple, with good visibility and straightforward hydrostatic operation. That makes it particularly attractive to people who are new to tractors. Of course, this small compact size comes with a trade-off. The GC1725M isn't intended to compete with larger machines when heavy loader work or demanding hydraulic applications become the priority. Best features: compact dimensions, easy operation, mid-PTO versatility, and good maneuverability. Main drawback: less hydraulic capability than some larger competitors. For homeowners who value simplicity and versatility, the GC1725M remains a solid beginning to our list. At number 6 is the John Deere 2025R. John Deere is one of the most established names in the tractor business, and the 2025R demonstrates why the brand remains popular with homeowners and small acreage operators. Instead of focusing on one standout specification, this tractor delivers a well-rounded ownership experience. The hydrostatic transmission is simple to use. The controls are logically arranged, and the operator station is designed for comfort. That's particularly useful for someone buying their first tractor. A machine can have impressive specifications, but if the controls are confusing or the operator station becomes uncomfortable after an hour, those numbers don't mean much in the real world. The 2025R also benefits from a broad selection of compatible attachments. Depending on the setup, owners can use it for mowing, loader work, snow removal, landscaping, and other routine property tasks. Dealer support is another major consideration. A strong local dealer can make maintenance, parts, repairs, and future equipment purchases much easier. The downside is that some competing tractors can offer more lifting or hydraulic capability at a similar price. Best features: comfort, easy controls, smooth hydrostatic operation, attachment availability, and dealer support. Main drawback: competitors may offer stronger specifications in certain categories. For buyers who value ease of ownership as much as raw performance, the 2025R remains a very attractive option. Taking the number 5 position is the Bad Boy 1025. Bad Boy may be most familiar to buyers because of its zero-turn mower lineup, but the 1025 shows that the company can also compete in the compact tractor market. The philosophy here is pretty straightforward. Build a compact machine that is easy to operate and capable of handling everyday property work. The 1025 can be useful for moving mulch, soil, gravel, firewood, and other materials. With the appropriate attachments, it can also tackle landscaping, driveway maintenance, and seasonal cleanup. Its compact dimensions are another benefit. If your property has narrow access points or limited storage space, a smaller tractor can be considerably easier to live with. The loader is another area worth considering. For material handling, smooth and predictable loader response can be more useful than simply having impressive numbers on a specification sheet. The biggest question mark is dealer coverage. Before purchasing, buyers should find out where parts are available, who handles warranty work, and how far away the nearest qualified service department is. Best features: compact design, simple controls, useful loader capability, and straightforward operation. Main drawback: dealer availability can vary significantly by location. If local support is strong, the Bad Boy 1025 becomes a compelling alternative to the more established names. Number 4 is the Mahindra eMax 25. This tractor stands apart from many competitors because of its focus on ruggedness and all-season operation. One of the most interesting options is the cab-equipped configuration. If you're clearing snow during winter, working in the rain, or spending long hours outside during hot summer weather, an enclosed operator environment can make a huge difference. Instead of being exposed to wind, cold, dust, or intense sunlight, the operator gets a much more protected working environment. But the eMax 25 isn't simply about comfort. Its substantial construction and useful lifting capability make it suitable for a variety of property jobs, including loader work, landscaping, driveway maintenance, snow removal, and light grading. This is the kind of tractor that can remain useful throughout the year, rather than sitting idle after mowing season. There are trade-offs, of course. Adding a cab increases weight, cost, and complexity, and a heavier machine may not maneuver as easily as the smallest open-station tractors. PTO capability may also not be the strongest in this group, but if your priority is a compact tractor that can keep working when the weather gets difficult, the eMax 25 becomes a very interesting choice. Best features: cab availability, rugged construction, strong hitch capability, and year-round usability. Main drawback: added weight and equipment can reduce maneuverability and increase cost. That combination earns the Mahindra eMax 25 our number 4 spot.
At number 3, we're looking at the TYM T25. TYM has become an increasingly recognizable player in the compact tractor market by focusing on capability and value. The T25 offers enough performance to move beyond basic lawn maintenance while keeping a compact footprint suitable for residential and small acreage properties. Loader work, grading, material handling, trail maintenance, and rear-mounted implements are all areas where this tractor can be useful. The biggest attraction is its balance. You don't necessarily want the largest tractor possible. You want enough machine to complete the work efficiently while still being able to maneuver around your property. The T25 fits that middle ground well. The diesel powertrain and useful hydraulic capability make it a serious working machine, while the compact dimensions keep it practical for smaller properties. The main consideration is again local dealer support. A tractor can be excellent on paper, but ownership becomes much easier when parts and service are close by. Best features: compact size, useful hydraulics, capable lifting performance, diesel power, and versatility. Main drawback: local dealer availability depends heavily on your region. For buyers searching for strong capability without moving into a much larger tractor, the T25 deserves a close look. Coming in at number 2 is the Yanmar SA325. Yanmar has extensive experience with compact diesel engines and tractors, and the SA325 puts that engineering experience into a machine designed for property owners. One of its biggest strengths is its hydraulic performance. Hydraulics are critical when you're using a loader, 3-point hitch equipment, or other powered implements. Strong hydraulic performance can make tasks like moving dirt, handling materials, grading, and landscaping much more efficient. The SA325 also offers good 3-point hitch capability, opening the door to equipment such as box blades, rear blades, tellers, cutters, and other implements. That makes the tractor much more versatile than a machine designed for mowing alone. Its compact size also helps when working around buildings and tighter areas. The biggest thing buyers need to investigate is dealer support. Availability can differ depending on location, so check local parts, service, and warranty support before making a purchase. Best features: strong hydraulics, capable hitch, compact dimensions, smooth diesel performance, and implement versatility. Main drawback: local dealer availability may be limited in some markets. With the right local support, the SA325 is one of the strongest small tractors in this lineup. And finally, taking the number 1 position is the Kubota B2601. Technically, the B2601 belongs to the small compact tractor category rather than the true subcompact class. But it's close enough in size and intended use that many buyers will naturally compare it with the larger subcompacts. And the reason it earns the top spot is simple: balance. The B2601 combines compact dimensions with a 3-range hydrostatic transmission, strong hydraulics, useful PTO capability, loader performance, and a huge selection of compatible implements. That gives the owner plenty of flexibility. Use it for mowing during the summer, add a loader for moving soil, mulch, gravel, or firewood, Attach a box blade for driveway work, use a rear implement for snow removal, or equip it for garden and landscaping work. The 3-range transmission is particularly useful because different jobs require different speeds. Having additional range flexibility can make the tractor easier to match to the task. The B2601 also sits in an attractive middle ground. It's more capable than the smallest subcompacts without becoming an oversized machine for many residential properties. And then there's the established Kubota dealer and parts network, which can be a major advantage for long-term ownership. The downside is that the B2601 is larger than a true subcompact, and adding a loader, mower, ballast, and other implements can push the overall price considerably higher. But if you want one machine capable of performing a wide variety of property maintenance jobs, it's difficult to ignore. Best features: 3-range transmission, strong hydraulics, versatile attachments, capable loader, compact design, and strong dealer support. Main drawback: technically larger than a subcompact and potentially more expensive when fully equipped.